Now we are going to see what is map interface and how map interface is used in Java using some real-time examples. So this is map interface. Here you would see many abstract methods. So what I have done is I have picked out the best or frequently used abstract methods in real time, and then I have listed here with description. So we will see about this in the later part of this video. First we will see what is a map. For example, suppose if you are working in a company, you would have some employee ID. That employee ID is used to point your data uniquely. For example, each employee has some unique ID, so that uniqueness is maintained here. So a particular unique ID can't point to two employees. Similarly, a particular key can't point to two or more values. A key can have one-to-one relationship physically. So if suppose employee 1 points to some data, employee 2 points to some data, employee 3 points to some data. So the keys are always unique. Suppose if you are trying to add a new key that was already present in the existing map, means it will override data. If suppose 1 Raja, now if you are trying to add 1 Rakesh, means the latest map value would contain 1 with value Rakesh. And then what putAll means, if suppose there are two companies, company A and company B, company A has 100 employees and company B has 50 employees. If suppose a company A is taking over the company B, means all the employees who are working in the company B moves to company A. So all the company B details, company B employee details moves to company A employee details. Similarly, putAll. So if you want to add all the data that is present in a particular map to another map, means you can use a putAll. And then remove means if you are trying to remove a particular key. If suppose if a person having employee ID of 90 is trying to move to other company, means that employee ID can be removed using this method, remove employee ID. So what it does is it will try to remove the corresponding value also. And then get means if you are trying to access a particular data using key, means you can use get. Suppose if you are trying to access the employee 90 data, means you can send just 90, that will return the employee 90 data. And then contains. Here what it does is it will try to check whether that key is present in that map or not. If suppose that key is present, means it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Key set. This is used to return all the keys that is present in the map. So in the next video we would see hash map.